Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can add a manager or an admin to your Facebook page. First, click on this icon on top right that says account. Here, choose the page that you want to add admin to. If you don't see your page here, just click on see all profiles. From here, select the page in which you want to add the admin or manager. Once the page has opened, click on see page here on bottom left. And if you don't see this, just click on this on top left. That is your page name. Here you will see your page. Now click on settings, audience and visibility section. Click on page setup, click on page access. And here you will see people with Facebook access. Click on add new, click on next. And here enter the name of the person that you want to add to your Facebook page. Now if they are added to your friend list, you can just enter their name and you can just click on the user, then click give access. Now if you want this person to have full access to your page, just click on this radio button here. Now they can remove anyone or add anyone to the page. They can even remove you. Just click on give access. Now if you want to give task access, that is they can just comment and do something else. Like now if you want to give another access that is very limited, that is remove people, add comments and chat and so on, you need to add community manager. So click on add new here, click next, and then add the name. Click on the name, and then you can choose which access do you want to give. You want to give content access, messages and calls, ads and so on. And just click on give access, and this access will be given to this user. Enter your password here and click on confirm. So as you can see, the invitation is now sent. Now this person needs to accept the invitation. To do that, this person will have to open the page. In the person's profile, open the page, and in the page they'll see an invitation like this. Just click on review invite, click next, and click on accept, and now they'll have access to the page. As you can see here, now they can act as the page, comment, and do all the things that they have permission to. So this is how you can add admin or manager to a page. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.